Harley, ride him over the bridge. Ride him right over the bridge. Now keep his head straight. Ride him right over the bridge. Grab him. Come on, hustle. Hey, we're hung up here. Good play, Harley. Right over the mattress, come around and do that again. Right over the mattress. Come around, do the duck, do the bridge again. Make sure this thing didn't get hung up. Doodle bond. We're gonna go over there and then ride right to Grandpa. I'm gonna be waving the flag. Okay, ride him through that. Ride him right to Grandpa. Here's the finish line. There's the finish line. Ride him right to Grandpa. Come on, we gotta come across the finish line. And we win. We got across the finish line. Yay! Okay, over to the boom bridge. Ride right across the finish line. And right to Grandpa. Yay! Got his net. Forward. Okay, use your legs. Right around. Right. Kick him. Kick him hard. Hup. Hup. Now take your flag and put on the show. Short Cheryl. Ooh. Good boy, Harley. Good old Harley. Good old Harley Davidson, you're a bro man. Good old Harley. Good old Harley. Put that flag up in the air for color. Here's how I get in the truck, Cheryl. I take him by the tail and I pull myself up. Yeah, I know.
So I put it right here?
Yeah. Are you filming?
Yep.
Okay, what we're doing is showing this mule. What I'm doing is pretending like I'm taking the saddle off and leaving it in the truck. And we want the mule to go load himself. So what I'm going to do, tell him to come around. Go get in that truck. Go get in that truck. Up. Get in there. I like it when they load themselves. So what I always do when I want to get in the truck, I use their tail to pull myself up and I make it fun. Okay, not only do we want them to load themselves, we want manners in the trailer. Some lady got killed in the trailer by her horse, and then they put the horse down because they couldn't train it. That's ridiculous. I want manners in the trailer, just like I want manners myself. If some little kid come back here, I don't want them kicking them out of fright. If they got under the belly, I don't want them kicking out of fright. I want that meal solid. Also, we train them when they come out of the trailer to have manners. I was a kid at a horse show, probably 12, 13 years old. I seen a big quarter horse fly out of the trailer backwards and run over a little kid in diapers and almost kill him. That handler had no control whatsoever of that horse, and he should have. He should have been able to stop him at any time, tell him to go forward at any time. Instead, that kid almost died. So what I'm going to show you now is the manners that you can actually back them out, hope they stand there and behave until they're told different. They stand there and behave. Now I might continue to back him out. I'll start back, but now I might tell him to get back in. At either rate, you should have control of that animal. Animals that think for themselves are dangerous. What's another one that thinks for himself? You open down the road and they turn into a driveway. How dangerous is that? Flying out of a trailer, running over little kids that are thinking for themselves. That animal should be tuned into you. And this mule, he's about a 9-year-old. He's at the Minnesota Horse Training Academy, the only school of its kind in the world where you learn everything from taking bows to cutting cows. 320-272-4199 is our number.